Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and uploading a stunning Facebook cover photo using Canva. Whether you are designing for your personal profile or a business page, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, go to canva.com and log in or sign up for a free account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, type Facebook cover in the search bar and select the Facebook cover template. This ensures your design will be the perfect size for Facebook. Canva offers a variety of templates to choose from. Pick one that fits your style or brand. I'm going to select this one as an example. Now you can customize the template, change the text, add your own photos, and tweak the colors to match your branding. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it super easy. For instance, click on the text to edit it, upload your own image by clicking Uploads on the left and drag your photos into place. Adjust the colors by clicking on any element and selecting your preferred color. Once you are happy with your design, click download at the top right corner. Choose PNG or JPEG format and download the file to your computer. Next, head over to Facebook and log into your account. Go to your profile page and over the cover photo area, you will see an option to change cover photo. Click on it and select Upload Photo. Choose the file you downloaded from Canva. Adjust the position if needed. Then click Save Changes. And that's it. You have successfully uploaded your new cover photo. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more design tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.